Hello children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about first class maths, the third chapter, that is additions. Additions up to 10. Additions up to 10. In the previous class already we have completed our two chapters, that is numbers up to 20 we have learned, the before numbers, the between numbers, the missing numbers, the orders. The ascending order, the descending order, already we have completed it in our previous class. So children, today let us learn about the additions. Our new chapter is additions. So children, what do you mean by addition? Addition means the sum. Addition means the sum. Children, for example, when we put two or more things together, that is called as addition. When we put 2, so for example here I have taken the 2 chocolates, so 2 are there with me. So when we put the 2 or more than 2, when we add, so when we put 2 or more things together, so here the 2 chocolates are there, here the 2. So all the total here I am keeping. So how many are there children? Yes, there are the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total, when we put 2 or more things together, this is called a addition. So here we have the symbol for addition. That is, what is the symbol for additions? Yes, the symbol for addition is the plus. The plus symbol. So this is called as plus. We'll call as a plus. P-L-U-S, plus. This is the symbol for additions. Let us learn more about the additions. Let us see some more examples, children, here on the board. So here page number 95 in our textbook. Here we have one exercise type. So this one you can do on your own children. So the 3 examples I am giving you extra now here. So this, according to these examples, remaining you can do it in your textbooks. The same model children, here we can do it very easily. So first of all we have to count the things. So here the picture of leaf. So how many leaves are there? First we have to count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many leaves are there children? 7. So here I have written in the box. So here the plus symbol they have given. So we have to add. Now here how many leaves are there? 1, 2. Only 2 leaves. So here I am writing 2. So total how many leaves are there? We have to count and we have to write in this box. So total how many are there? So all the leaves how many are there? So in the first picture here we have counted 7 leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many leaves are there now? In the first picture here we have counted 7. After, in the second picture, here how many leaves are there children? 2. 1, 2. So total how many leaves are there now? Let us add now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So here we have the 9 leaves. So we can write children like this, 9. So now the second picture is the candles. So let us count the candles in the first. Here we can, how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 candles are there. Now here how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 candles are there and I have written here in the box 3. So total how many candles are there? Yes, let us see the total candles. So in the first picture we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 candles. In the second picture how many are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So total 5 and 3, how many are there now? This hand we have the 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So total 8. So here I am writing in the box 8. So here like this we have to count and we have to write. So So total all the pictures here we can count children 5, 6, 7, 8. So easily we got the 8. Now let us see the another picture here children, apples. Let us count the apples now. Here in the first picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 apples are there. So 4. In the second picture here we have only one apple. So only one apple. 1. So 1. So 4 plus 1, how many are there children? 4 apples in the first picture and I am adding 1. So total 4 plus 1, how many? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many apples are there? 5 apples. So here we have completed the first exercise. The page number 95. So children, here so many pictures are there children. The teddy bears are there, pencils are there, the crayons are there, the flowers are there and the butterflies are there. So all of you children, you can do it very easily. First you have to count each. How many are there pictures and you have to write in the boxes and then you have to total. So we have to we have to add. So we have to keep all the things together and we have to add. Then we will get the sum easily here. So you can complete this page in your textbooks children. Let us go to the next page, page number 96. So here we have color the circles and add the groups. So let us see this one on the board. So children, in our textbook, the page number 96, here we have color the circles and add the groups. So here we can find only all the circles. So children, no need to confuse. Just we have to color it and then we can find out easily. Now here if you see like this means here we have only all the circles. So no need to worry. So just see here only. So you can observe on the board children, this is separate and this is separate children. So this is separate and this is separate. So these circles only we have to color, not these. Okay, here we have to write the values and here this side we can count children. So here these all the circles you can color it with any crayon. The same color don't use, the different colors you can use because not to get confusion. So here I am doing the coloring. First thing here I am doing like this. Like this you can do the coloring. So first here how many are there? Let us count children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many circles are there children? 4. So this 4 where we have to write? Here the first. So here also the first circle, here we have to write the values. So here I am writing in the first circle the 4 because this I have colored the 4 circles, the 4. Plus, okay, the plus symbol here we have the addition. So plus. Now here the how many circles are there? I have did the coloring. So here how many are there? 1, 2. 2. So this 2 I am writing here. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So total how many circles are there now here all? So this is very easy. So here already 4 are there. After if you count means this 2 also will easily we can get. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 after 5, 6. So total how many are there now? Yes. So total 6 are there. This is very easy. So children here the first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then plus 2. We have already 2 more. So 1, 2. Now total we are asking. All together how many circles are there? Here they are asking. So total how many circles are there now? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we got the answer 6. So here I have written the answer 6. So in this way we have to write the remaining one. And the coloring children you have to do in your textbooks. So just I am showing here, you can do it in your textbooks with any color. So let us see this children. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also 4. So here the first 4 the circles. So in here the first circle we have to write the value 4. Yes, 4. And then come to the second one. 1. Let us count children. Coloring also we can finish and do the coloring also and counting also. 1, 2, 3. So how many circles are there here? 3. So here in the next circle I have written 3. Now in the last circle I want the total. Means the all the circles I want the total. So very easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 after 5, 6, 7. So total how many are there, children? 7. Here we got the answer 7. Yes, no? See, if we can count on the fingers also, it will get easy. So total we have 4. So we can take the 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and the 3. So next hand we can take the other hand. 1, 2, 3. So total 4 and the 3. Total here I am asking. So how many are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we got the answer 7. So here we have completed our addition. So very easy, no, children? Understood all of you? So let us go to the third one. Here how many are there? Let us count. Coloring also. 1, 2, 2. So 2. Here I have written the value 2. Plus, again we can count. 1, 2. Here also again we have 2. 2. Now 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Total how many are there? 1, 2. 2 after? Yes, 3, 4. So total 4. 2 and 2. Total 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we got the answer 4. That is the now last one. So here how many are the children? Only 1. Only 1, sir. So I have written here 1. Now plus here how many are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4. Here I have written the 4 in the second value. Second circle the 4. So 1 plus 4. First circle here we got only 1. Second we got the 4. So 1 plus 4 how many are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. See here only 1. So 1 after we have to count. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I got the answer 5. So in this way we can do the additions. So very easy, no, children? Understood all of you? So all of you, the coloring part you can do it in your textbooks, children. Let us see the next exercise here. Add. So addition in the horizontal method means in this way. So in this way we can do the addition. So I will give you some examples, children. According to the examples, the remaining part you can do it in your textbooks. Let us see the additions. So children, here we can see the additions. Add. So here we have to add in the horizontal. Means in this way. So before we have already counted the pictures. Now without the pictures we have to add only the numbers. So in the before page, the before page, what we have studied in just now in the class. So there we have the pictures and then we counted all the pictures together. And the numbers also. Now here there are no pictures, only you have to count the numbers. So you can use your fingers. Okay, with the fingers we can count, children, very easy. Now here the first one, here we can see, children, 2 plus 3. 2 and 3. So total how much is there? There we have to write in the circle. So first how much is there, children? 2. So we can take our 2 fingers. Take 2 fingers. And the second number here we have the 3. 3. So 3 after we can count, children. 3 after, the second number after, here if you count, then easily we will get the answer. So 3 after 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here we can write the answer 5. So we can check also, children. So here we have the 2, the first number 2, and the second number here we have the 3. So let us take the 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. So total here I am taking the 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. So total how many fingers are there, children? We can add one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we got the answer 5. So if you have to take all with the 2 fingers, the 2 hands we have to use. So this will take a long process. With one hand also, with our hands only, counting with the after number, the second number after if we count, you will get the answer very easily and fastly also. So no need to use the 2 and the 3 like this. So like this also we can count. Take 2 fingers. The second number, here the second number, here we have the 3. So 3 after if we count, 3 after the 4 and the 5. So easily we got the answer 5. So let us see the second one. So here how much we have? The first number is 3. Let us take the 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So 3 fingers I have taken. The second number how much here we have? 4. So 4 after we have to count. This 4 after we have to count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So here we got the answer 7. So I am writing here the 7. If you want, we can check also. 3 and the 4 they told 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 and 3, how many are there? Yes, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we got the 7. So like this. So no need to check like this, children. You can do the after number. So this second number after if you count, you will get the answer very easily and correctly also. So here we can see, children, the third one, 2. The first number is 2. All of you take the 2 fingers. Take 2 fingers. And the second number here we have the 7. So 7 after 8, 9. 7 after 8, 9. So answer is 9. Okay, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now let us see some more examples, children. Here how much the number is? 2. Take 2 fingers. The second number here we have 5. So 5 after 6, 7. Answer is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. And the next one here we have 8. And here we have 2. So all of you, the first you can take the number here 8. So all of you take your 8 fingers. So one hand we have the 5 fingers, 6, 7, 8. So total here we have the 8. And the second number is 2. So 2 after we have to count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total how much, children? 10. Yes. Now here both the numbers are same. 4 and 4. No problem. Same numbers also we can do very easily. So here the first number is 4. And the second number also the 4. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Here we got the answer. Now let us go to the second one here. The last row. Here what is the number? 5. The first number is 5. All of you take 5 fingers. And the second number is again 5. So again 5 after you have to count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 is equal to 10. Yes, no, children? So one hand you have the 5 fingers, another hand we have the 5 fingers. Total how many fingers we have? Yes, we have the total 10 fingers. So here I have written the answer 10. 5 plus 5, 10. And here, let us see the next one. So here first number is 4. Take 4 fingers. Second number is 2. 2 after number you have to count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 4, 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. And the last one here we can do, children, very easily. So the first number is 3. All of you take 3 fingers. Take 3 fingers. Second number is 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Here completed our exercise additions. So in this way you can complete in your textbooks, children. So the page number 96, here we have exercise with the 3 Romans. Here more sums we have additions, children. So you can do on your own, children, very easily. So in this method. So this is very easy, no children? Yes. So first of all you have to take whatever the first number we have, that many fingers you have to take. It is 2 or 8 or 4, whatever will be the first number how much we have, that many fingers you can take all of it. If it is 2, take 2 fingers. If it is 5, take 5 fingers. If it is 6, take 6 fingers. And the second number after we have to count. Here whatever the second number here we have, that number after we have to count. If you count that number after, then easily you will get the answer. So in this way you can do the additions. So up to here we have completed the page number 96, children. So here we have completed. The next chapter is here, the next topic is count forward to add. So here we have to add with the number strip, means the number line. Here we are going to use our number line. So children, here we can see the count forward to add. So let us count on the number strips. In this number strips, how we have to count them to forward. So additions means, children, we have to go to forward. So let us see the example. So by using the number strips, we can count the additions. So for example, children, here we have the number already they have given there, 3 plus 5. Here they have given the empty box. Here we have to write the answer. And the number strip up to 10 numbers. Number strip, the 10 numbers. So here we can see, children. So the first number is 3. So we have to start from 3. The counting must start from 3 and we have to count forward. So we have to, should not come back. So we have to go forward. So the after numbers we have to count. So how many we have to count, children? 5. The second number they have given here is 5. So 3 plus 5 we have to count. So the second number here 5 is there, means you should not stop up to 5. We have to add 5 numbers. So we have to go forward to 5 numbers. So how we can see, children? So let us see now. 3. Let us start the jumps now. The first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we can stop the 5. So total 5 numbers we come to forward. So the number where it has stopped, children? 8. So this is the answer, 8. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5. The second number here we have the 5. 5 after we have to count, children. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So here we got the answer 8. By using the number strips also we can add, children. So like in this way we can do. So let us do one more strip, children. Here then you will have an idea. So here we have 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. The numbers already given there, the box, and the number strip has been already drawn there. So let us start from the 2. So the first number is 2. So we have to begin from 2. Let us start the moving forward. So here the second number is 7. Means the 7 numbers we have to count. So 7 numbers we have to go forward. Let us count, children, along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to 7. Here we have end our number. So where it has stopped, children, the last number 7 means at the 9. So answer will be 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. So in this way we can show it on the number strip. So this addition we can do, children, but we have to show on the number strip. So this is the way how we have to show on the number strip. Here the last one here we can do, children, one more. So here the first number they have given is 4. So let us begin from the 4. The second number they have given is 5. Means the 5 jumps. 5 numbers forward we have to go. So let us count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where it has stopped, children? Yes, that is 9. 9 is the answer. So children, in this way we can do the addition by using a number strip. So in our textbooks, children, the page number 97, here they have given the number strips. So in the same way, how I have drawn on the board, so in the same way they have already done in your number strips, already has done in your textbooks, children. The number strips up to 10 they have given. Like this numbers also they gave here. So here they have given the numbers and the empty circles they have given. So you have to write the answers and you have to show on the number strips. So children, all of you use your pencils and draw the number strips, the jumps. In this way you have to draw like this. So already we have completed 3 sums now here. So by using the number strips, so in the same way you can do it in your textbook. All of you, this exercise you can complete in your textbooks, children. So I hope all of you understood the additions by using counting by using the pictures and by using the number strips. I hope all of you understood, children. You can complete in your textbooks, do it neatly and write neatly, all of you. So I hope understood all of you this chapter, children. I mean this topic's addition. Thank you.